More breaking news coming in. UBT MP Sanjay Raut questions the deployment in West Bengal. He has made a strong statement over the security deployment in West Bengal. Polls alleging that over 2.5 lakh personnel have been deployed in the state. He claims the presence is excessive and said it is creating fear among voters, calling the situation terrorizing for the voters of West Bengal. Why deploy 2.5 lakh security personnel? That's the question Mr. Raut is asking. Is also saying that this has been done to terrorize the voters. This has been done to spread an atmosphere of fear in the voters of West Bengal.
2.5 लाख से ऊपर पैरामिलिट्री फोर्स, उससे भी ज़्यादा हर राज्य से ऐसे ऐसे अधिकारियों को यहाँ लाया है जो अपने आप को इनकाउंटर स्पेशलिस्ट मानते हैं। ऐसे अधिकारी लाकर मतदाताओं को, उम्मीदवारों को टेरराइज कर रहे हैं।
Shivam is with us on the broadcast as well. Shivam, Mr. Raut says that this has been done to terrorize. Terrorize is the word that he's used.
Exactly, Swati, and this is also coming after the remarks made by senior TMC leaders, various TMC leaders questioning the deployment. Remember, over 2.4 lakh, personnel are deployed here. But then the question will be asked to them also that if they are questioning these trends, what about the incident that happened in Bhangar? Why even since the fact that even after such a huge deployment, there are still cases of violence, still cases of clashes breaking out coming in. What happened today in Bhawanipur is a classic example. There was almost a scuffle-like situation that happened with Suvendu Adhikari when there were certain voters, raising slogans against him. And that particular point, the additional security at that particular time came in. We were there. It was a big area, and the entire area almost, became like a ruckus, and that was happening just near the polling booth. So if there was no additional security deployment present here, what could have been done? Because he is a candidate who visited there. There are people who are from other parties, but raising slogans, trying to intimidate them, very near to the polling booth areas is something that became a law and order situation, and that is why you needed an additional security deployment. And that is why even the Home Minister Amit Shah has said that the security deployment is not only till 4th of May, but it will be here for months. So while on one hand side, the Bharatiya Janata Party, the Election Commission is emphasizing on the importance of having central deployment here, of having additional deployment here in order to save lives, the Trinamool Congress and the other opposition leaders now, including Sanjay Raut, are basically questioning and are basically trying to portray that these CRPF personnel. He also took a dig at the IPS Ajay Sharma also, saying that the encounter specialists
also
are also
questioning the presence of an encounter specialist from Uttar Pradesh in West Bengal elections. Shivam and Rajesh, do stay on with us. A very quick break. We'll be back with more updates on the other side.